Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nasdaq with Arshia. Today we're going to be reviewing what is happening because of the Omicron variant and how is it affecting the stock market. So before we begin, I want to say I'm not a financial advisor and you should always do your own due diligence and research before taking part in any investment scheme. Let's get into it. So recently I haven't been feeling very good, busy with exams and everything, so I haven't been able to regularly upload. I apologize for that. But once in a while, yes, I will upload mainly once in a week now. If I can, I will try to upload daily. So anyway, so stocks rebound sharply from Omicron sell-off. Dow rises more than 600 points. So in a couple of days ago, Omicron caused a huge sell-off because, as we all know, Omicron has so many mutations, and those mutations give a potential risk of reinfection to people who even had COVID-19 in the past. So it's the variant of all variants, but we actually know that from this that this is the climax of variants, and after this it'll start phasing out. So stocks rebounded sharply on Thursday following an Omicron-driven sell-off in the previous session as cyclical names made back some of their recent losses. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 617.75 points to $34,639.79, helped by a major upstick in Boeing's stock, 7.5%, and also airline, casino, and energy stocks led the gainers on Thursday. Delta Airlines, MGM Resorts, Hilton Worldwide, Norwegian Cruise Line, Wynn Resorts, Occidental Petroleum, Baker Hughes. Those are just a couple of the casino, airline, and energy stocks that rebounded. Delta Airlines rose about 9.3%, which is shocking compared to the reason behind the sell-off was that people are banning travel and being very, very, very cautious. So it's quite contrary that Delta, the airline, would go up after an Omicron sell-off. Also, stocks making the biggest moves pre-market are Snowflake, Boeing, and Apple. Want to know why? So first things, Snowflake. So what happened with Snowflake? Everybody's been hearing about Snowflake lately and what exactly happened with its pre-market. So the cloud data company's shares jumped more than 3%, 13%, after the company reported quarterly results that beat revenue estimates. Snowflake also reported sales of $334 million during the third quarter, which exceeded the $306 million expected by analysts by Refinitiv. What about Boeing? So Boeing shares of this aircraft maker rose 4.4% after China's aviation regulator cleared the Boeing 737 MAX to return to flying on Thursday. That model was grounded for 2 more years, actually, worldwide after 2 failed crashes. So now it's actually gained clearance, and that's a good sign for Boeing. Apple fell 3% after the company told some of its suppliers there could be slowing demand for iPhone 13 models. And I recently got the iPhone 13, and I think it's quite good on an unrelated note. But according to a report by Bloomberg, this is the evidence. It previously expected the reduction in its initial production goal to be made up in 2022, but said that it may not materialize now, which is bad news for Apple. Plus, there are also ongoing chip shortages, which doesn't help Apple in any way. But we know that Apple is part of the FANG stock, so it's not going anywhere. And I just see this as a buying opportunity to buy the dip. So Wall Street as a whole and the Dow rose up about 600 points, and the moves came in contrast to the 3 major indexes sliding on Wednesday after the CDC announced the first confirmed case of Omicron was announced in the United States. And more than 24 countries globally have so far found at least one confirmed case of the variant. This actually makes me worried for any travel during the holidays because this could significantly impact our economy. Monetary policymakers have also underscored lingering inflationary trends with the virus and rising prices. And this stokes concerns that the Fed Reserve may soon pivot away from its accommodative policies that have helped support markets throughout COVID. And that's our conclusion there. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And in conclusion, I think that this inflation in Omicron could lead to a downtrend in the market during the holidays due to the extensive travel. But I believe that the COVID virus is slowly phasing out because it has the Omicron variant has a lower fatality rate, but a more widespreading rate, more higher infection rate. So thank you guys for watching. Please comment powder puff down below if you are at the end of this video, and see you on the moon. Thank you. Bye bye.